Hello and welcome to Endeavor's Information Miniseries overviewing demand planning for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, showcasing out-of-the-box functions and field descriptions. Continuing on calculating regenerative planning, Yaz, over to you.
Okay, we're running low on time, so let me just run this test really quick. And you see the results here is that I get 2. Okay, you might wonder, well, why are we getting 2? Right? Well, that's because the first line is only 1. Yeah, where does that come from? Let's chase this one down. This is a production order the system suggests for FH2 for the location Toronto. And if I click on order tracking, this is the link that the system creates between your demand and supply. You might look at this page and see there's nothing to show in this view. However, the untracked quantity field has a value of 1. So if we click on that, you will see that this one suggestion for production order is coming from demand forecast. This makes complete sense because I have 5 units on hand. I have a demand forecast of 6 items on the beginning or the 1st of February. Then the system is saying, yeah, you have 5 on hand, you only need 1, so you only need to make 1, right? Okay, see this page and take a look at the other one. This line has a quantity of 10. So the system is asking me to make a production order for 10 pieces, on the 1st of March. Okay, where did this come from? Let's go to order tracking. Again, there's nothing to track here, but if you take a look here, you will see that there's a demand forecast for March. We were zooming in on February, so we only saw February, 6 units, but we have a demand forecast for 10 units. So the system created a demand forecast for 10 units. Why did it create a demand forecast for 10 units, another demand forecast for 5 items, like the first case? Well, that's because the system looked at the dates and said, okay, 10 units for the 1st of March. That means that the 5 units that I would have in hand, plus the 1 unit that I would make on the 1st of February, will be sold. So I'll be down to 0 in the inventory. My demand forecast, sales forecast, is asking me to prepare 10, have them on hand for March 1st. Then the system is going to create a production order of 10.
Thanks, Yaz. What a great overview on calculating regenerative planning. Well, that concludes our overview on demand planning. We hope you enjoyed the mini-series. Now, to get full access to the previous episodes, or to find out how Endeavor can optimize your inventory management for manufacturers, resellers, wholesalers, and distributors, visit endeavorsolutions.ca/demand. Well, have a good one.